Fiona is writing her book right now. We're a few minutes early to cooking pizza.
Don't look at my book.
Don't look at the book. So we're back at the cooking place that we made the cake at. And tonight she's gonna make pizza. Hey, this is Fiona's spot. She's got the recipe. She's got tomato sauce. And then she's washing her hands.
We're going to use yeast. We're going to use sugar. We're going to use water. And we're going to use olive oil. And you keep going, keep going.
While the yeast is rising, they're going to go check out what's growing in the garden.
Plants survive the winter. In fact, a little known fact about kale is the colder it gets, the sweeter it tastes. Spinach? No spinach. Lettuce mix that's growing in the ground over there. So,
The Power Garden. Again.
there. Can you see that? That means it's keep going, keep going. Okay, that's good. Put it down the middle. Get a little flour on. It's too wet for me to handle right now, so just... Now your ingredient is tomatoes in the big bowl.
Big tomatoes. Look how big they are. You get to crush them. What'd you say?
So big and juicy.
They are big and juicy. Squish it. Yeah, squish. Squeeze them. There you go. Garlic. Huh?
Are you gonna dump it in?
Right.
You haven't dumped it in yet?
Here's your
Oh.
recipe right here.
I guess so.
They dump it in now. Added the garlic. Pizza sauce recipe. Teaspoon of salt. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. Can add a little more. Yeah, a little more. That's good. Yes. So let me see. Yep, 1 to 2 tablespoons. So 1 to 2.
I'm gonna do one. Wait.
Okay, you're gonna do 1. So fill that thing up. Fill her up. There you go. And dump. There you go. And then you can taste it and see how you like it. Okay, so you can taste it with these spoons.
You can. That's how you do
See,
it.
sister, oh good.
Dad, you have all the money in the world. Buy store-bought pizza sauce from.
Like,
There's no real magic to shaping a pizza. If it's round or square or triangular, just press all that gas out. And then there's several ways to stretch it. I like to do what is called a stretch and a turn, where you really are doing opposite forces here. Hold it up with your thumb and fingers, the dough will stretch. Okay? So when we make our pies, this is about what we're looking for, guys.
she's the maker's heart shaped. So you push out all the gases, and then you can turn it and pinch it. Or you can lift it up like you did. And Do you finger thumb, finger thumb? Yeah, like that.
I'm honestly scared to
And
rip
it's-
it.
I know, it's like, will it tear? It is fantastic.
Oh, where were you? When it was time for senior photos.
Or even Domino's Pizza was invented.
Huh? What'd you say?
Where were you when Domino's Pizza was invented? Heart shape there. She loves hearts.
Yeah.
About ready to put it. It looks good. That's a good heart shape.
I might want to.
No.
There it goes.
Okay, go ahead and put your.
There's all the
In our adult
cheeses
classes, we
and
pick out all
pepperonis.
kinds of stuff on there.
This is our dinner
When they were
tonight, Fiona.
here,
Yeah.
First to save Daddy a piece.
I just had a plain on cheese.
I'm getting both.
Which cheese is more than that?
Mixture of both. So here's the cheese.
I'm going to eat a pepperoni. Thank you.
Yeah, you said you wanted a
Oh wow. Good pepperoni. I'm from
Are we
Aldi.
good? You ready to go?
Pepperoni and cheese. That's
Are we good?
yummy. Okay, it's going in the oven. Some really big bees. I don't know if you can see them.
scared.
You see them? Yep, there's one. I don't know where he went, but
Wait,
you can
when are
see
we gonna
him.
get this? When are we gonna get the tour?
I don't know. Maybe after the pizzas.
Probably.
Sugar in our sauce. There he is. Eating on the pizza. They have this nice area. And this performer. Who's this performer? She looks familiar. Oh wait, that's Fiona. She's performing a dance for the bees. It's called. No, I'm just kidding. She's doing the bee dance.
No.
Oh no, it's. I don't know. Are they in?
Yeah.
Okay. It is ready. It doesn't seem like it took that long.
Fiona's, right?
Yours is super juicy from the pepperonis.
I don't know.
Miss Fiona's pizza is done. It's a heart shape. Cool.
Did you get a picture of it?
He's gonna cut the pizza. Yes, we're doing a little video.
Pictures on screen right now.
This looks really.
The whole thing. That looks great. Okay. Where did water go? You can taste that little corner.
I'm gonna taste this.
Thank
Probably
God.
the rest.
Okay. Is it hot? How's it taste?
The rest probably not.
Is it good?
That was good.
I've learned a lot about
All right. The tour of the cabins. Here's the front porch. Like a big tree. Let's see what it looks like.
My electrician was over here and he didn't turn it back on.
Oh, this is nice. We have this view out the window. We have like a little coffee thing. There's a sink in the bathroom. This one has a nice chair here. This is really pretty. All green cabin. The pretty pictures. So relaxing. This is the blue cabin. Just pretty. Wow. There's a picture. This has one bed.
This space is going to go my
Wasp.
steel construction.
The bathroom. One. Here's the red one. That's pretty. There's a lot of pillows. There's a pretty picture. Look at all the pillows. So they can have a pillow fight. There's the view. Oh wow, that's really pretty. This is the gold one. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Wow, you like this one? You like this one the best? Oh my gosh, look at that view. Whoa. Oh wow, it's got gold.
Which one did you go with?
I don't know, they're all so nice.
I like the one.
Out of it.
Yeah, I like that.
Fiona,
Congratulations.
let's see your certificate, hold it up. Junior pizza chef.